All right, so today this will be the Rezku KDS walkthrough video. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys how to configure the KDS on an iPad. We're going to head to the App Store. So we'll type in the search box Rezku KDS. We'll hit search. As you can see down here, we've got the Rezku Smart KDS. Hit the download icon, and then we'll hit open once the download completes. There is a permission that you need to allow to find devices on our local network. That's very important. The first thing you're going to see on this screen is the option to choose a POS system. So keep in mind the KDS will not function without a POS to pull its data from. So we'll choose our KDS walkthrough as our POS. We'll hit next. And the next screen we see is the option to choose either the expediter station, the cold station, or the hot station. Now the expediter station is for your expo, the person who is usually plating the food. That screen is important for them to see because it allows them a view of all tickets and everything going on at each station. For the purpose of this demonstration today, we're going to choose one station, and then we'll hit setup as KDS hot station. All right, so now we're connected, and as you can see, we've got some options up top for settings, show finished, and last. Settings, pretty straightforward. We'll give you the option to change appearance of your tickets. So for example, font size, increasing that, the text on the tickets look bigger. The tickets itself can be resized with ticket width. And the options on the bottom for ticket headers, high ticket numbers, straightforward as far as the order number. So if it's order number 1, that will be translated to the KDS as ticket number 1. Always show customer will allow you to add the customer's name to the ticket header. The ticket receive time allows you to see, hey, this ticket was sent to the KDS at 3 o'clock. It's now 3:10. It's been 10 minutes. What's going on? Show party size, give accurate amount of plates, accurate amount of napkins. Party size would be something that could be useful for that. Double tap ticket header to bump. Everyone has a different preference when it comes to this kind of stuff. So that option is there as well. Sounds will allow you to control the alert and rush sounds. Alert and when a new ticket is received. There's also the ability to rush tickets, which we will show you guys. And last but not least, we've got our support screen where you will find our support number, email address, and the current POS that you're connected to. The bottom left-hand corner, we've got the reset KDS option and then refresh for any troubleshooting that we need to complete. All right, now continuing on the Rezku KDS walkthrough, this is an overview of ticket management specifically. So let's go ahead and add an order or a ticket to the screen. So first thing to notice is only the hot items are available on this screen. Remember, there is a salad on this ticket as well too. That salad is not being shown, but if we were to switch to the cold station, it would be. Users can also mark items as done. There's a simple tap on the item and it will translate to a strike through. And you'll notice, even though both items have been marked as done, the ticket still stays within view until bumped. So now, bump, and my screen is clear. To retrieve the ticket, we'll hit last, and we have the ticket again. Now, you may want to print the ticket, whether it is a to-go order, an in-house order, a delivery order. In order to do that though, we need to be on the expediter station. So let's go through, we'll actually reset the KDS and we'll come back with the expediter screen pulled up. The expediter screen will give you the option to print. You can see hot station, cold station, and then rush items, and do some other things that you wouldn't be able to do from a normal KDS station. All day is pretty much the default screen for the expediter station. It will show you all tickets that are being worked on currently. The ticket we sent to our hot station, the hot station marked those items as done, and then they have the strike through. The super salad, however, does not have the strike through. So we'll go ahead and mark that as done as well, and we'll see the order change to green. It's easy for you to see that these tickets are complete. If we add another ticket to the screen, you can see the difference in the border. We'll also have orange and red borders to indicate when the order has been sitting for too long. In order to print from the Expo screen, first we need to configure the print options under the settings page. Tap More, Settings, and tap Expediter. You have an option to connect a ticket printer or a product printer. Keep in mind, the printers you're selecting from are pulled from the POS. So before you connect a printer to your KDS, you must connect one to your POS. Toggle our ticket printer on, and we'll toggle our product printer on as well. We'll choose to send our tickets to the kitchen printer, and we'll choose to send our individual products to the appetizer station. Enable food runner filter is an option for if you've got multiple stations and you want one person being responsible running the food out to the floor. The enable food runner filter allows you to see only the tickets that have been bumped from multiple KDSs. So that ticket will only show on my screen when all stations have hit bump. We'll save that. And now you'll notice each of the tickets now has the option to print. The print button next to our bump will print the entire ticket. If I would like to print an individual product, I can tap, select print, and print from there. So on the screen here, you can see we've got our two tickets from before. Ticket number 1, ticket number 2. Ticket number 2 has our super salad on it. So let's say this order is being picked up in the next 5 minutes. However, the super salad is still being worked on. So what we can do is we can tap on super salad. So now you can see when I tap rush, the entire ticket now has a red border, and the item super salad now has a red highlight. So now we'll actually pop into the cold station just to see what it looks like from their view. This super salad that I have on my screen has now been rushed. It's now in red and it's bold. Once the salad is done, both stations can mark it off. Okay, last but not least, one more feature to highlight is the inventory option. Tap on the More button here and tap Inventory on the top. Our inventory page on the KDS can be locked behind permission. Inventory for your products, modifiers, or variations can all be adjusted directly from the KDS. Updating inventory on the KDS is fairly simple. We'll go ahead and use apple juice as our example here. Tapping on apple juice will move it to the product selected. Hit the quantity box and we'll type in 10, and we'll hit update inventory to update our apple juice product to 10. You also have the option to 86 items. 86ing will remove items from your menu. And when you remove an item from the inventory on one KDS, it does so on all KDSs, and also managing inventory on the POS will also affect the KDS. So that pretty much wraps up the overview. If you have any questions or if you have any issues, please feel free to contact our support team. They're available 24/7 and are always willing to help. Thanks for watching.